I'm Michael and I live in Lafollette, Tennessee, a little bit north of Knoxville. My experience with working with Your Home Solar has been absolutely outstanding. Ernie is a wonderful guy to work with. We got along famously. He explained everything that I needed to know in order to, make the purchase of the solar. I talked to several other solar companies and clearly was the best and rose to the top. I was motivated to get into the solar panel in order to have a backup power supply. I wanted to be able to handle any kind of power emergencies that took the power away from the grid and still be able to provide power for the house. There was a number of specific challenges and concerns that I had in the installation process. One is the orientation of the house. It's not exactly south-facing. So what we had to do was to use the tools that Your Home Solar had to be able to model what the sunlight looked like at the top of the house. There's 3 generations of electrical systems within the house, and Your Home Solar was able to navigate that perfectly. Got an installation that passed code, no problem. Working with Your Home Solar has been a fantastic experience and highly recommended you consider them for your project.